Here is how I made this soft, moist and delicious red velvet cake from scratch. 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. In another bowl, put 300 gram of sugar and 120 gram of butter. Cream them together. Add 2 eggs, one at a time. Beat for about 3 minutes before adding the next one. Add 2 teaspoons of red velvet color and mix until the color is evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, 120 gram of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, 1 teaspoon of strawberry emulsion, and half cup of oil. Now add the wet and dry ingredients in batches. Repeat this process until you have added everything. Our red velvet cake batter is ready. In your greased pan, pour in the batter. I also filled 4 cupcake paper with the remaining batter. Just look at how soft and moist this red velvet cake turned out. Thanks for watching.